Santa Barbara walking tour. Here is a cool building. He's having a good time. I'll be walking on State Street. Love these trees, so beautiful. Art here is so colorful and happy. Feels really good walking here. Shops along the street. Cute souvenir shop. I like that building. I also like the pattern on the wall and the color banners. Another cute souvenir shop. Color and pattern nice. A lot of people riding bikes here. Intersection of State and this street has these trees that I really enjoy. This Turkish coffee stop stood out. Here's so cute. Here is next to the Sportsman Lounge. Trying some local gelato. The texture was a bit too thick for me. This intersection has these beautiful stairs. A good picture spot. More art and pattern. It's a long and nice street for walking.